2.
To upcycle your light switch to have a funky new design, follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Remove the light switch cover from the light switch. Step 2. Add your colourful tape. Start at the corners and seal it down. Don't worry about the excess, we'll cut that off later. If you go over the hole in the middle, it's okay. We'll cut that out soon. Step 3. Cutting off the excess. For the edge, turn it over. With some scissors, slice neatly along the corner. If necessary, fold under the excess tape. For the middle, start by punching a hole in it. It should wrap nicely around the inside hole. Just fold under, it'll work the same. Step 4. Put your funky new cover back onto the wall. Pop in. Now enjoy.